before your throne with a heart that's not my own. I've walked paths I shouldn't see. Now I kneel, Lord, hear my plea. I'm tired of running far away. I need